In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub Copilot with Python. We'll go through the full setup process inside Visual Studio Code, and then I'll show you how to start generating Python code with simple prompts. If you're new to Copilot, don't worry. This is a beginner-friendly walkthrough, and the goal is to help you get comfortable using AI assistance while you code. To begin, head over to the GitHub website and sign up for a GitHub Copilot subscription. Make sure your GitHub account is active before moving on, because you'll need that account to connect Copilot inside your editor. This step is important since Copilot won't work unless your subscription is properly enabled. Once that's done, open Visual Studio Code. On the left-hand menu, click the Extensions tab, then search for GitHub Copilot. When you see the extension, click Install. This adds Copilot directly into your coding environment, which is what allows it to suggest code as you type. After installation, Visual Studio Code will prompt you to sign in to your GitHub account and authorize the extension. Go ahead and complete that sign-in process. This links your editor to your Copilot subscription so the tool can start working in real time. Next, create a new Python file with the .py extension. Inside that file, write a clear descriptive comment such as, write a function that checks if a number is prime. This comment acts like an instruction for Copilot. The more specific and clear your prompt is, the more useful the suggestion usually will be. Now press enter and wait a moment. Copilot should generate a suggestion as gray ghost text directly in the editor. If the code looks good, press the tab key to accept it. This is one of the fastest ways to turn an idea into working Python code, especially for common programming tasks. If you want to compare different suggestions, you can cycle through alternatives before accepting one. Hold Alt or Option on Mac and press the square bracket keys to move through the available suggestions. When you find the version you want, press Tab to insert it into your file. This is helpful when you want a different coding style or logic approach without rewriting the prompt. You can also open the GitHub Copilot chat side panel. From there, highlight any Python code and ask Copilot to explain it, rewrite it, or help debug errors. This makes Copilot useful not just for generating code, but also for understanding and improving it. Now you're ready to write Python code faster and smarter with GitHub Copilot.